This is the Lenovo ThinkStation P360 Ultra. And honestly, it kind of breaks your brain the first time you see it, because Lenovo claims this tiny box can replace a full-size professional workstation, a real one, the kind used by engineers, 3D artists, and video studios. But after spending serious time with it, I discovered something surprising. Its biggest strength might also be its biggest compromise. So, is this the future of desktop PCs, or just an expensive experiment? Lenovo ThinkStation P360 Ultra Product Overview. The Lenovo ThinkStation P360 Ultra is a compact professional workstation released in late 2026 as part of Lenovo's ThinkStation lineup, machines built for serious workloads, not casual browsing. It's designed primarily for creators, engineers, architects, and developers who need workstation-class performance but don't have space for a massive tower. Its main selling point, you get desktop-grade Intel processors and professional NVIDIA RTX graphics packed into a chassis not much bigger than a small form-factor PC. Think of it as Lenovo asking, what if a workstation could live comfortably on your desk instead of under it? Lenovo ThinkStation P360 Ultra Performance. I used the P360 Ultra for a mix of real-world workloads, 4K video editing in Premiere Pro, Blender renders, heavy Chrome multitasking, and even some code compilation. And here's the thing, it feels shockingly fast for something this size. Configurations go up to Intel 12th Gen Core i9 processors paired with NVIDIA RTX A-series professional GPUs, and that combination absolutely flies in productivity tasks. Exporting large video files was consistently quick, and multitasking never felt sluggish. Where this machine really shines is sustained workloads. Unlike many PCs that throttle under pressure, Lenovo designed serious cooling into this chassis. Reviews from workstation-focused outlets consistently highlight how it maintains performance even during long renders. And in my testing, fans ramped up, but performance stayed stable. But it's not magic. Under heavy GPU loads, you can hear it working. Not obnoxiously loud, just a reminder that physics still exists. For creators working daily in demanding apps, this feels less like a mini PC and more like a shrunken professional tower. Features and tech. Let's talk about what actually makes this workstation special. First, workstation-grade GPUs. Instead of gaming graphics cards, you get NVIDIA RTX A-series professional GPUs, certified for professional software. That means optimized stability in apps like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and Adobe tools, fewer crashes, better driver reliability, and predictable performance. Second, insane connectivity. You're getting a ridiculous number of ports: Thunderbolt 4, multiple display ports, USB-A, USB-C, Ethernet, basically everything short of making coffee. The benefit: you can run multiple high-resolution monitors and external storage without dongle chaos. And finally, enterprise-level reliability. This includes ECC memory options and ISV certifications. Translation: software companies officially validate this hardware for professional workflows, which matters if downtime costs money. And finally, modular accessibility. Despite its compact size, Lenovo engineered surprisingly serviceable internals. IT teams can actually upgrade components without replacing the entire system, huge for businesses scaling over time. Design and build. Aesthetically, Lenovo kept things classic ThinkStation, understated and professional. The chassis is built from sturdy metal with a minimalist black finish that feels industrial rather than flashy. No RGB, no gamer vibes, just clean, purposeful design. What really stands out is the size. It's small enough to sit horizontally under a monitor or vertically beside it without dominating your desk. Airflow vents wrap around the chassis, and while it doesn't scream luxury, it absolutely screams functionality. This is clearly designed for studios and offices where reliability matters more than aesthetics. And honestly, that's refreshing. Pros: incredible workstation performance in a tiny footprint. Professional GPU reliability for creative and engineering apps. Surprisingly effective cooling for sustained workloads. Cons: gets expensive fast with higher configurations. Limited GPU upgrade flexibility due to compact size. Final verdict. So, who is this actually for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? If you're a professional creator, engineer, architect, or developer who needs serious workstation power but doesn't want a giant tower eating up your workspace, this is honestly one of the most impressive compact systems available right now. It delivers real desktop-class performance in a size that feels almost impossible. But if you're a gamer or casual user, this is overkill and overpriced for your needs. You'd get better value from a traditional desktop. The Lenovo ThinkStation P360